Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hello everyone, welcome to Skein Spider and to the first pattern in my Halloween series, where I'm going to be posting one pattern a day in the week leading up to Halloween. Today's pattern is going to be these potions bottles. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial as well as the 6 others I've got coming out. And with that being said, grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, scissors, stitch markers, a needle, pins, stuffing, and 8-ply yarn in a colour or colours of your choice. For each potion bottle, you're going to need 2 colours. The colour for the cork or the topper, and the colour for the body of the potions bottle. We're going to begin in the cork colour, so whatever colour you choose to use for that. I'm going to be using tan, so that's what I'm going to refer to it as, but you can use whatever colour you like. For potions bottle 1, begin with the tan or whatever colour you're using. We're going to put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4 is going to be worked entirely into the back loop, so put 18 single crochet in the back loop only. Round 5 is 1 decrease and then 4 single crochet repeated 3 times. At the end of round 5, you're going to change colour to whichever colour you're going to be making the bottle in. And then round 6 is worked in that colour and into the front loop only. So put 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times, and work all those stitches into the front loops. Round 7 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times. Finish off with a single crochet in the last remaining stitch. Round 8 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 9 is 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Alrighty, for round 10 I'm going to be slowing down the footage to show you how to create the lip of the potions bottle. At the end of round 9 you should have 15 single crochet in your round, and also you should still have the exposed back loops from round 6. And you should have 15 of those too. What we're going to do is work into round 9. So we're going to go into stitch 1 first. But instead of single crocheting, what we're going to do is then insert our hook into the back loop, whichever back loop is below stitch 1 here, of round number 6. So into round 9, into the back loop of round 6. This can take a little bit of manoeuvring your work. So you've got to move the lip around a little bit. Once you've gone through both stitches, the stitch 1 from round 9 and the back loop from round 6, that is when we're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again, to single crochet the 2 stitches together. We're going to do this for the rest of the round, so you're going to go into stitch 2, and where is it? There we go, into the next free back loop, single crochet, stitch 3, into the next free back loop, there we go. And as you can see here, we've created the little lip for the side of our potions bottle. At this point, you're just going to continue on with the rest of the pattern. For the second and the third potions bottle, the technique to create the lip is going to be exactly the same. So I'm not going to be slowing down the footage for those. The only difference being is the stitch count will be slightly different because the shape of the bottles is different. Round 11 is worked into the front loop only, so put 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times entirely into the front loops. Round 12 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Rounds 13 through to 15 are 21 single crochet. At this point stop, secure your end and begin to stuff the top of the bottle. Once you're done, we're going to continue with round 16, which is 3 single crochet, 1 increase, followed by 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Finish with 3 single crochet. Round 17 through to 20 are 24 single crochet. Round 21 is 7 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Rounds 22 through to 26 are 27 single crochet. Continue stuffing. Round 27 is worked into the back loop only, so do 7 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times entirely into the back loops. Round 28 is 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 29 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. And round 30, which is our final round, is 6 decreases. Finish off and weave in your end. Potion bottle number 2, begin again with the tan or the cork colour, and we're going to put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is worked entirely into the back loop, so put 12 single crochet in the back loop only. Rounds 4 and 5 are 12 single crochet. At the end of round 5 you're going to change colour, and round 6 is going to begin with whatever colour you've chosen, and we're going to work entirely into the front loops. So put 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times entirely into the front loops. Round 7 is 18 single crochet. Round 8 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. For round 9 you're going to work into round 8 and also into the back loops of round 6 to join the 2 rounds together, and you're going to do this for 12 single crochet. This technique is the exact same technique that we used previously for potion bottle 1 to create the lip of the potion bottle. The only difference here is that we're doing 12 single crochet instead of 15. Round 10 is worked into the front loops, so put 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice into the front loops only. At this point stop and begin to stuff the top of the bottle. Rounds 11 through to 18 are going to be 10 single crochet. Continue stuffing as you go. Round 19 is also worked entirely into the front loops. Put 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice into the front loops only. Round 20 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 21 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Rounds 22 and 23 are 24 single crochet. Round 24 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 25 and 26 are 30 single crochet. Round 27 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 28 and 29 are 36 single crochet. Round 30 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 31 and 32 are 42 single crochet. Round 33 is worked entirely into the back loops, so put 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times in the back loops only. Round 34 is 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 35 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Continue stuffing. Round 36 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 37 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. And round 38, our final round, is just 6 decreases. Finish off and weave in your end. For the third and final potion bottle, again begin with the cork coloured yarn, and you're going to put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 4 is worked entirely into the back loops, so put 15 single crochet in the back loops only. Round 5 is 1 decrease, 3 single crochet, repeated 3 times. At the end of round 5, change to your coloured yarn, and then round 6 is going to be worked entirely into the front loops. Place 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times in the front loops only. Round 7 and 8 are 18 single crochet. Round 9 is 1 single crochet or 1 decrease repeated 6 times. For round 10, work into the stitches of round 9 as well as the back loops from round 6 for 12 single crochet. At this point, secure your end and begin stuffing. When you finish stuffing, we're going to continue with round 11, which is worked into the front loops, so place 12 single crochet in the front loops only. Rounds 12 through to 16 are 12 single crochet. Round 17 is 3 single crochet and then 3 half double crochet increases repeated twice. A half double crochet increase is just 2 half double crochet placed in the same stitch. Round 18, you're going to begin with 3 single crochet and then 1 half double crochet followed by a half double crochet increase repeated 3 times, and you're going to do that pattern twice. So do 3 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase repeated 3 times, and then follow that same pattern again for the second half of the round. Round 19, begin with 4 single crochet, then 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase repeated 3 times, then 6 single crochet, and after that again we're going to do a pattern repeat of 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase repeated 3 times, and finish the round with 3 single crochet. Round 20 begins with 6 single crochet and then a pattern repeat of 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase repeated 3 times. Follow that with 9 single crochet and then another pattern repeat of 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet increase repeated 3 times. Finish off the round with 3 single crochet. Rounds 21 and 22 are 36 single crochet. Round 23 is 9 single crochet, 2 decreases, 14 single crochet, 2 decreases, and finish with 5 single crochet. Rounds 24, 25 and 26 are 32 single crochet. Continue stuffing your potions bottle. Round 27 is 8 single crochet, 2 decreases, 12 single crochet, 2 decreases, and finish with 4 single crochet. Rounds 28 through to 30 are 28 single crochet. Round 31 is 8 single crochet, 2 decreases, 10 single crochet, 2 decreases, and finish with 2 single crochet. Rounds 32, 33 and 34 are 24 single crochet. Continue stuffing at this point. Round 35 is going to be worked into the back loops. So place 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times, and 1 more single crochet entirely into the back loops. Round 36 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times, and round 37, our final round, is just 6 decreases. Finish off and weaving your end. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this potion model tutorial. If you did, consider liking and subscribing. Also, you can check out my Instagram and Tumblr to see what the other patterns are going to be. I will see you all tomorrow with pattern number 2.